Unfortunately, financial abuse, identity theft, and fraud happen all too often. If your loved one has a conservator, stay in contact. Ask the conservator for copies of the reports they're filing with the court. If they refuse, ask the court if you can see the reports. In some cases, you may need to file a petition with the court. Also, stay connected with your loved one. If they're not receiving the care they need or you notice unusual spending, you may need to talk to the conservator, your loved one's attorney, or alert the court. If you're the conservator, there are tools that can assist you in monitoring financial activity and making sure the person does not fall victim to financial abuse. EverSafe is a monitoring service that tracks financial activity across multiple accounts. It will send an alert regarding unusual or unexpected spending via text, email, or through their app. Some courts may order the conservator to enroll in EverSafe on behalf of the protected person. In that case, the court would also receive alerts. Either the court or the conservator will need to provide EverSafe with the court order of conservatorship to set up the account. There is a monthly charge for this service. EverSafe also allows for trusted advocates to receive alerts. The trusted advocate may be a relative, an attorney, or another person. Putting a freeze on the person's credit prevents new accounts from being opened in the name of the person without your knowledge. This can be done by contacting the major credit bureaus. Request free credit reviews annually to monitor for unusual activity. Check to make sure that no new credit has been opened in the person's name, that there are no missing or late payments, and look for any changes from the previous year. These can be requested from the major credit bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. If the person has any credit cards, set up spending alerts. Common alerts will inform you about any spending online, over a designated amount, or in another country. This will help you watch for fraudulent activity. Where it's possible to set up direct deposit of checks and direct payment of routine bills, do so. This simplifies record keeping and prevents problems with lost checks or late payments. If you suspect financial abuse of someone with a conservatorship, report it. If the person becomes a victim of theft, contact local law enforcement. If the person has an attorney or guardian ad litem, make sure that they are aware of your concerns. Also, make a report to the court. There may be instructions on the court's website on how to do so. If not, call the court and ask how you can make a report. Conservators and other trusted parties must be alert to possible fraud or financial abuse. Using resources to help track and monitor financial activities can make this process easier and more efficient.